Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, a new report from Korean publication The Bell suggests Samsung's Galaxy S10 Plus will also employ a new dual camera system up front. Now, although it's unclear which exact sensors will be applied in the new setup, the layout looks set to be inspired by the setup present on the Galaxy 8 and A8 Plus. Ultimately, this means that significant improvements to the bokeh effect are to be expected alongside the traditional jump in overall image quality. It is worth noting, however, that this dual camera offering will be exclusive to the Galaxy S10 Plus, with the other two rumored models settling for a more traditional single lens offering, much like this year's Galaxy S9 line. In addition to the selfie cameras, today's report also reconfirms recent information that claimed the largest model would boast a triple camera layout on the rear. This setup will include a main variable aperture sensor, much like this year's flagships, alongside a super wide-angle camera and a telephoto lens, much like the dual setup up front. Though, the rear triple camera layout will be exclusive to the Galaxy S10 Plus. This means that those who purchase either of the other two smartphones will have to make do without a telephoto lens. Aside from the camera configurations, both the regular Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus also look set to ship with new in-display fingerprint sensors, removing the need for any sensors on the rear. When it comes to the smaller model, however, Samsung is rumored to be including a side-mounted scanner that could potentially be integrated into the power key. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.